Wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I can't see my head on straight. Heart is heavy, wasn't ready. Don't think I can see your face. Now it just runs. How long till that ends? It feels like a run.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the Samsung Galaxy A06, or as I like to call it, the A05 with the disguise kit. Same 6.7-inch display, same 5000 mAh battery, same budget-friendly experience. But wait, Samsung added a fingerprint sensor. Okay, that's okay, that's nice. That's a good new feature added to it. Well, that's the end of the video. That's the end of the review of the Samsung Galaxy A06. It's been better review, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
What?
Okay, guys. I'm kidding. I'm just joking. Well, let's actually talk about it because my friend has been nagging me non-stop to review this phone, and honestly, I kept telling him, bro, it's the same phone with the A05. But now, here we are, dissecting the A06 to see if Samsung really put in some work or they just changed the name and called it a day. This is Better Review, and welcome back to another video.
I think it's the only way I know to be alone.
Alright, so let's start with what's different. And by different, I mean the handful of upgrades Samsung decided to bless us with, starting with the fingerprint sensor. So Samsung finally realized that we like convenience, so they added a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. No more typing long password like it's 2015 just to check a WhatsApp message. The second thing being the processor upgrade. Now this is probably the biggest change. The A06 dishes the A05's Unisoc chip and replaces it with the MediaTek Helio G85. That is a slightly better performance for gaming, app usage, and scrolling endlessly through YouTube Shorts or TikTok without your phone lagging like it's buffering in real life. The third feature being the camera and the image processing. Still a 50 megapixel main camera, but the A06 has improved image processing, meaning your photos will look just a little bit sharper. But let's be real, this is still an entry-level phone, so don't expect it to turn you into a professional photographer overnight. The fourth feature, which is being the software, the A06 ships with One UI Core 6 based on Android 14, while the A05 came with Android 13. Yes, not a crazy upgrade, but at least you are getting the latest software straight out of the box, plus more security updates, which means less chance of your phone getting hacked while you are trying to download free movies from suspicious websites.
We've been hacked.
Okay, now don't get too excited. The A06 is just like a little bit more compact than the A05, but nothing drastic. If you put them side by side, you might have to squint to see the difference between them, but I mean, at least it still looks modern. So after all this, is the A06 worth buying? Well, if you are already using the A05, I do say I don't rather bother upgrading it. It's not that much of a difference, but if you are looking for a new phone and you want that fingerprint sensor, better performance, and the latest software, then sure, the A06 makes sense. Alright, but let's be honest, Samsung kind of played it safe with this one. It's like they had to check a checklist, but just went, okay, add a fingerprint sensor, swap the processor, and boom, new phone, the A06 is out.
It's okay.
Now, so my dear friend who forced me to review this, here you go. You've been saying better review the A06. Well, I did, and guess what? It's basically the A05, just the senior brother or junior. No, this is senior. So, are you happy now? Are we good? Or do you still want to argue about it in the comment section? And to everyone watching this video, let me know what you think about the A06. Do you think Samsung made a good upgrade by upgrading the processor and the fingerprint, adding the fingerprint sensor? Well, I'll meet you guys in the comment section. Until next time, it's been better review, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You and me a beautiful disaster.